Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make an oscillating circuit using NE555 timer, resistors, capacitor and LED guys. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, this is our 555 timer IC guys, and as you can see we have our 11K resistor. It was connected in series and we connected it to the pin 8, pin 7 and pin 6 guys, as you can see. So we are using 11K resistor connected in series. So let's further more guys. So friends, this is our IC. As you can see, this is the connection. This is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, this is our resistor guys, 11K resistor, and it was connected in series. As you can see, I join it here and we connect it. We start the connection from pin 8, then the middle connection was connected to pin 7, and this is pin 6 guys. So we connect the last resistor, the second resistor, to it, and this is pin 1 guys. So as you can see, from pin 4 to pin 8, then from pin 2 to pin 6. So that's how we do it guys. Then we are going to put our capacitor to pin 1 and 2. The negative leg will be here and the positive leg will be in the middle, which is pin 2 guys. As you can see, this is pin 2, this is pin 3, and this is the pin 4. And pin 4 here and pin 3 will be our output for the wave form guys. So then we can connect our battery here. So follow up guys. So friends, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is our LED. As you can see guys, this is the input, this is the positive, and here's our negative guys. Then I'm using 50 volts capacitor with 22 microfarad guys. So let's test it now guys and see how this thing is working guys. So guys, want to give it a try. This is our positive. So as you can see guys, so you can see it is oscillating. I think because I use a 50 volt capacitor with 22 microfarad guys, so we have an oscillating circuit. As you can see, the LED is oscillating. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel guys, and I will also leave a diagram below so that we can watch how to make this circuit guys. Very simple. As you can see, I use 11K resistor guys. This is 11K resistor and this is our LED oscillating. We have oscillating circuit here, oscillating. So please subscribe to my channel guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.